Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today's video we will talk about how to reset or factory reset in any mobile. I am using Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G. So, you can reset by any phone, Poco, Redmi, Samsung. Before proceeding further, you are the first on this channel. Please subscribe the channel and like the video and also press the bell icon. So let's start. Open the settings, search factory reset. Here you can see erase all data. Click on it. Here it asks backup or factory reset. Click on factory reset. Click on next. Then it is all erasing data. I hope after watching this video you got some value from this video. If you liked the video, then please subscribe the channel and also like the video. Thank you. And it is resetted successfully. Thank you for watching.